Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest tech product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of laptops with the Framework Laptop 13. Known for its impressive repairability and solid performance, this laptop has some notable updates. Let's find out if it's worth your investment. The Framework Laptop 13 has been making waves in the tech world with its unique approach to repairability. Despite minimal design changes over 3 generations, this laptop packs some interesting features. It offers a new matte display, a larger battery for extended usage, and louder speakers. Let's see how these changes add up. The design of the Framework Laptop 13 remains largely unchanged, sporting a silver slab with aluminum construction. While some may appreciate the consistency, others may be craving a fresh look. Thankfully, you can personalize the laptop by purchasing different colored bezels or language keyboards from the Framework Marketplace. The new addition that catches the eye is the matte screen. This display not only looks great but also helps reduce glare, making it easier to work in bright environments. With a 13.5-inch size and 2256 by 1504 resolution, the Framework laptop maintains its familiar 3:2 aspect ratio. One of the standout features of the Framework Laptop 13 is its repairability. The laptop is designed for easy access and component replacement, thanks to the included tool in the box. You can easily open the laptop, revealing the battery, SSD, Wi-Fi card, RAM, and more. Framework provides detailed replacement guides for various repairs, making it a dream for DIY enthusiasts. In terms of performance, the Framework Laptop 13 delivers solid results. Our top-tier professional model, featuring an Intel Core i7-1370P, 32GB of RAM, and a 1TB M.2 PCIe SSD, performed admirably on benchmarks. It outperformed its competitors in Geekbench 5 and Handbrake tests, showcasing its processing power and fast SSD. The new matte display on the Framework Laptop 13 offers a glare-free experience and vibrant colors. With 465 nits of brightness, it's one of the brightest screens in its class. However, it falls slightly behind OLED screens in terms of color gamut coverage. The keyboard on the Framework Laptop 13 provides a comfortable typing experience, although it could benefit from a snappier response. The touchpad, on the other hand, feels a bit cheap and lacks the premium feel we expect from a laptop in this price range. The battery life of the Framework Laptop 13 is impressive, thanks to the larger 61Wh battery. It lasted for over 11 hours and 30 minutes in our battery test, rivaling the MacBook Air. However, the laptop's cooling system struggled under demanding workloads, resulting in loud fans and higher temperatures. Overall, the Framework Laptop 13 offers a unique proposition with its emphasis on repairability and solid performance. While it may lack some design updates and improvements to the touchpad and cooling system, it's still a noteworthy option for those looking for a customizable and environmentally conscious laptop. That wraps up our review of the Framework Laptop 13. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, stay tech savvy.